Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Circle to search. First, let's get started by activating the feature. Simply long press your device's home button or the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a transparent overlay appear, signaling that Circle to search is now active and ready for your input. It's a super intuitive way to begin your visual search journey, making information just a tap and a circle away. Make sure your device is updated for the best experience. Now that Circle to search is active, it's time to perform your first search. Simply draw a circle, scribble, or highlight any object or text directly on your screen. For instance, if you see a cool pair of shoes, just circle them. The system will then analyze your selection to generate relevant search results. You even have the flexibility to adjust the selected area before the search is finalized, ensuring you get exactly what you're looking for. It's incredibly precise and user-friendly. Once your search is complete, the results will conveniently appear at the bottom of your screen within an overlay. You can easily scroll through these results to explore more information, discover related items, or find different perspectives on your circled content. If something catches your eye, simply tap on it, and it will open directly in your default web browser. This seamless integration allows you to quickly dive deeper into any topic without leaving your current application. It's all about efficiency. To get the most out of Circle to search, here are a few helpful tips. Try to be as precise as possible when drawing your circles, focusing tightly on the specific object or text you want to search. You can also combine your visual search with a quick text input to refine your results even further. Don't hesitate to experiment with different gestures, like scribbling or highlighting, as they can sometimes yield unique search outcomes. With a little practice, you'll become a master of visual searching in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.